What is div division tag? The div tag defines a division or a section in an HTML document. The div tag is used as a container for HTML elements, which is then styled with CSS or manipulated with JavaScript. The div tag is easily styled by using the class or ID attribute. Any sort of content can be put inside the div tag. Next, what is span tag? The span tag does not create a line break similar to a div tag but rather allows the user to separate things from other elements around them on a page within the same line. Avoiding of line break results only that selected text to change, keeping all the other elements around them same. We will learn more about div and span tag when we are learning CSS, which grabs the major role in web applications. Happy coding! Let's see with an example. Let's create a file lesson7.html. Let's add a paragraph tag with some random text where we will be adding span to check the behavior. Let's add a horizontal ruler. Let's add another paragraph with some random text where we will be adding div to check the behavior. Let's now add span tag to the first paragraph and div for the second paragraph and check in browser. Now if you see paragraph embedding with span has no difference, whereas paragraph embedding div has break into two lines. Let's make it more interesting by adding the inline style of background color to span. Let's discussion about style part in upcoming sessions on CSS. Let's repeat the same for div as well. Let's see it in browser.